So friend, today I'm gonna talk about one thing which you are waiting and which is here. This Thousand Splendid Sun. Yeah, this is Khalid Hosseini top favorite book, and I'm gonna tell you about this book right now. And this is fantastic book. Yes, Thousand Splendid Sun. This is fantastic book, and this book has too much knowledge about Afghanistan girl and how they survive. And this is very recommended book for all book lovers, and especially for book lovers who are gonna start the reading habits. So I will prefer you this book also. This is fantastic book, Thousand Splendid Sun, but it's little bit sad, but the knowledge of this book and language of this book is phenomenal. Then story is mind-blowing. You will love the Khalid Hosseini storytelling, and the book is very easy to read. There is no hard word used, but it is in very much in flow. So I would say that this book will change your reading experience, feeling experience, and thinking experience about Afghanistan. Yeah, at current time Afghanistan is going in very much changes by the Taliban, but this book is also written in past by Khalid Hosseini, and this is several story of Afghanistan girls, how they survive in poverty, how they survive by their hard work, what the bad conditions has they have chosen, what the right conditions they have chosen, what the bad situation they have gone through. So this is very sad book also, but it is not too much sad. It is must read book. I will suggest you to read, because this book will tell you everything about a woman life, how a woman can survive, what woman thoughts from childhood in Afghanistan, how their people treat them, and what the conditions they face, how the man's rule in Afghanistan. This book is not a thin book. This book is very much, you're seeing width. It has a width, and this book look like that. You can see it. This book look like this thing, and this book has a 400 pages. So I bought this book from Delhi, and I'm very much happy that I got this book, because I was waiting from long time. And you can buy it Amazon, but it will be little bit costly. So if you can buy it from Delhi, it will be safe in cheap price. I got in around, you can't believe that, in 120 rupees. Yeah, in 120 rupees. But I got it from Sarojini Nagar market. So there are few books available at very cheap price, and it has an original print, so don't think it's a pirated one. It has an original print, and the pages are thin. The page quality is thin, but print is original, and the story is awesome. And you know that when Khalid Hosseini writes something, he write it very deeply, he write it very accurately. He has a capability to just grab your attentions. You will not move while you will read this book, and you will not go anywhere. This book will definitely change your experience of life. You will be very grateful to God that He has given you so fantastic life. And then after reading this book, you will definitely say that yes, life is too much hard in Afghanistan for Afghanistani women, and it is remarkable that how they have gone through about this bad conditions, even though you will have a tears in your eyes, but this is a must read books. I will say that this is the must read book, and it will help you a lot. It make you sad also. Sometimes you will feel more sad also, but most of time you feel that this book should be read by every Indian. And this book is in English, that's why very less people wants to read it, but this book should be read by every Indian. This is the Khalid Hosseini, Thousand Splendid Sun. This book will tell you the real story of the woman feelings and how they survive, how they are betrayed also, how they are, very much demoralized by the Afghani guys, males, and they are not respecting them. But this book will change your thought. There are so many stories of Afghani women, and they will tell you how to survive. And there is very good reviews are written in back of this book. You can watch it. And there's one post, in case you are wondering whether A Thousand Splendid Sun is as good as the Kite Runner, here is the answer: no, it's better. Washington Post. So the Khalid Hosseini also wrote a book. It's a world famous book, The Kite Runner. Everyone has know about, but I personally felt that the Thousand Splendid Sun is more better than Kite Runner, but Kite Runner has a different genre. This book has a different genre. So please definitely read this book and subscribe my channel if you are a book lover, true book lover.